Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change your team radio settings in F1 Manager 2024. First, when starting in the Home section, go to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. When in settings, tap on settings once again, and you will be automatically put into the gameplay tab. In the gameplay tab, you can see the team radio and notifications sections. Here you can customize whether to pause the team radio dilemmas or whether to slow the game speed for high priority notifications and team radio messages. You can customize it however you want, and then simply tap Apply Settings. The settings now will be saved, and you can play however you want. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.